Since 2018, Vancouver, BC-based EVOLV Rides has successfully launched over 7 different models of personal electric vehicles with a focus on quality, performance, and design. Trusted by thousands of riders and reviewed by big names in the business like GI Gadgets to Electric, EVOLV is back with an all-new, simple, hyper-efficient, and compact electric scooter. Introducing the EVOLV Stride. It's time to rethink how you're getting around. Unfold the Stride in 5 seconds and start riding. Avoid working up a sweat cycling or catching the bus by simply pushing the throttle, and you'll zip through the city effortlessly. City roads can be rough. Never fear. Dual integrated suspension and large puncture-free Honeycomb tires smooth out any bumps you'll feel. Puncture and flats can be annoying, but you'll never have to worry with the Stride's 10-inch Honeycomb tires. Leave struggling uphill in the past with a 500-watt Powertrain. Zip uphill easier and hit top speeds faster. The Stride's slim and sleek frame lets riders navigate busy city bike lanes with agility. Illuminate the night and safely alert others on the road with a bright headlight and red taillight. Going fast means stopping fast. The efficient front drum brake and rear disc brake combo makes stopping on a dime safe and decisive. Connect with the Stride and customize your ride with its phone app. Special features include the fault scan, which gives riders a quick status of their Stride scooter's health. We're on a mission to make your commute the best part of your day. Charge up your journey with the EVOLV Stride.